Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Birthday Fancy Kit. This kit provides everything you need to create 12 unique handcrafted birthday cards. It features hand-drawn illustrations, eye-catching gold foil, and lots of fun layering. The elements of this kit help add a personal touch to each card, and it's available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. Wow, these cards are sure to make your friends feel celebrated. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!